Hey everyone, welcome back to Roadside Coder. So in today's video, we're going to convert our React app into a progressive web app. More specifically, we're going to convert our dictionary app that we created in our previous video into a progressive web app. So what is a PWA or progressive web app? So PWA allows you to install a particular web app into your phone natively. What I mean by that is when you go to that web app into your phone's browser or your desktop's browser, it's going to prompt you with an installation icon. So when you press that installation prompt, it's gonna start installing that app natively into your phone. So you can use that app just like a native app into your phone or desktop. So this is an amazing feature of a progressive web app. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are running our dictionary app currently in our browser, and I've opened this project file as well. So what are we going to do now? So we're going to go to Chrome Developer Tools by clicking on Inspect and go to Lighthouse. So what Lighthouse allows us to do, it's going to scan our app and it's going to tell us what are the features that are missing to make it a progressive web app. So it's going to, in your case, it's going to show you all of these icons as ticked. So you need to untick all of these icons except the progressive web app and click on Generate Report. So it's gonna scan your website and tell you what are the things that are missing to create it a progressive web app. So let's check. All right, here we go. So these are the things, these are the red errors are the things that we need to complete. So first of all, let's start from the bottom. So first of all, it's asking us that Manifest doesn't have a maskable icon. So we need to create a maskable icon. But first of all, what I'm going to do is, you can see that first of all, let's go to the application tab. Yeah, you can see that this icon has these React icons. So we don't want these React icons. We're going to change these icons to our own icon of the app. So let's go to Google and search dictionary icon PNG. Here you go. Let's go to images. And we're going to have that icon with in which we have full usage rights. Let's go click over here and let's choose this icon. And I'm gonna click on this icon, so it's gonna take us to the website, and from here we can freely download this icon. Oh, we need to register. Let me quickly do that. Okay, so we have downloaded that icon over here. It's gonna be free. It's not going to cost any money. So let's convert this icon into a favicon. So we're gonna go to the browser and type PNG to favicon. Let's go to this website and we need to drag and drop our file over here. So let's take this file and drop it over here and let's click on download. So it has provided us with this zip file. Let's keep our zip file over here and extract it. All right, here we are. So what are the files that we need? We're gonna need this one. Okay. We're gonna need all of these and this one. Yeah. Let's cut this icons over here and we're gonna go to our, over here into public folder and we're gonna paste it over here and replace the file. And here we have it. We have these favicon files over here. We're gonna remove both of these files. Yeah, we don't need them. We're gonna remove them. All right, so let's go back to our code and into our public folder in index.html. We're gonna need to add a few lines. So right over here, you can see there's an Apple Touch icon over here. So we just gonna change the href to something else. Let's see what was the name of our file. Here's the name of our file, Apple Touch icon.png. So Apple Touch icon.png, here we go. It has auto suggested us this name. And the other thing that we need to add is our favicon icon. So link shortcut icon. All right, now we need to give it an href. So it's gonna be favicon, if I'm not wrong. Let me check. Yeah, favicon.ico. Yes, we need that. And there we go. What's wrong? Okay, we haven't closed the tag. Now we're done. Now let's go to our website and check. Here you go. You can see the icon has changed. Let me just reload this page and go to inspect and go to application. Now we can see, yeah, over here you can see our favicon has changed successfully. Now what do we need to do for the step 2 is we need to generate a manifest file. So what is a manifest.json file? If you go to your React app, you can see there's something called manifest.json. It has it favicon.ico. It has the logos, different logos, the logo files that we deleted. So we're not gonna use this. We're gonna delete that right here. And I'm gonna delete this as well. We don't need these. I'm gonna delete those as well. Basically everything we're gonna delete it over here. First of all, let me generate our manifest files data. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to this website, Manifest Generator. Let's see. Here we go. Here you have it. Let's give our app a name. Word Hunt. I'm gonna give it short name of Word Hunt. Theme color, let's say I'm gonna choose black. All right. Display mode is going to be standalone because we want this to be acting as a native app. So we're gonna do is standalone. Orientation, it depends on your app. If your app supports portrait as well as landscape, you can select any. In my case, I'm gonna select any. So application scope, nothing to change over here. So here we go. We have this manifest data generated. So I'm gonna copy it up and I'm gonna go to our VS Code and paste it over here. Comma is needed over there. Yeah. All right. Now we need to generate our icons. So how are we gonna do that? So earlier we have downloaded that file. Where is it? Yeah, Word Hunt. We're gonna use that to generate our different sizes. So there are 4 sizes that you need to generate. First one is 192 x 192, second 256, third 354, and fourth is 512. Let's go to our browser and let's enter image Resizer. Yeah, let's go to imageresizer.com. All right, here we are. We're gonna supply it our image right here. So first of all, what do we need? We're gonna need to generate 192 x 192. Here we go. Resize image now. All right, here we are. Let's download this image. Here we go. So we're gonna go to our project folder and we're gonna paste it over here. So let's just drag and drop over here. So here it is. Now second one, also I'm gonna name it, let's name it logo 192. We're gonna follow this convention. All right, let's generate another one. Let's take that. I'm just gonna generate for everything, then I'm gonna paste it all together over there. Second one is 256 into 256. Let's download that. The third one, yeah, the third one was 384 into 384. Here we go. Final file will be 512 into 512. 512 x 512. Resize that image. All right, here we go. It has mistakenly downloaded it twice. I'm gonna delete it. Oh, and never mind. All right, so we're gonna copy all of these files to this folder, public folder. I'm gonna name them the same way that I named this logo 192. So this one is logo 256. This one is logo 384, and this one was logo 512. Here we are. All right, so we have all of the icons generated successfully. All right, let's go to our VS Code and let's create our icons. So what we're supposed to do now is this. We're gonna enter that. So what have I done over here? Let's see. Yeah, so we're gonna provide the src of wherever the location of icon is. I'm gonna remove this and type logo 192. Same for this one as well. Logo 256. Logo 384. And lastly, logo 512. Now let's save our application. Let's save it. Yeah, and let's go to the Chrome. Let's refresh this page. All right, compiled successfully. Let's go to inspect and application. There we have it. We have all of the icons over here. Great. And also we need to add a service worker. I'm gonna explain what service worker it is later. Let's go to our Lighthouse over here and let's generate the report. And now let's start working on that. All right. First one is that Manifest doesn't have a maskable icon. So what is a maskable icon? So maskable icon is something that when you install the app in your phone, the icon that is displayed over there in your menu, that is what maskable icon is. So how do we generate a maskable icon? So there's a website called maskable.app. I'm going to close both of these. I'm going to go to maskable.app/editor. Here we are. So we need to provide it our, first of all, we need to provide our icon or the image that we need to use. So this one, I'm gonna drag and drop over here. So here we are. Now we need to make it according to our, according to our liking. So I'm gonna do is, let's say, rounded rectangle. Yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna provide it a little bit of padding. I'm gonna shift it a little bit over here. So it looks good. I think that looks good. Yeah, I think that looks fine. Yeah, so I'm just gonna export it. It has downloaded that. Let's go to our public folder and I'm gonna drag and drop that over here. Let's drag and drop over here. I'm gonna give it the name of Maskable. Maskable. Yeah, great. So now in our manifest file, we need to provide the location of this maskable. Let's go to the Manifest.json and at the top over here, I'm going to open another curly brace. Just like the others, we need to provide it src first of all. Oops, src. So what is going to be the src? Maskable, the name that we gave. Maskable.png. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, here it is. Maskable.png. So what's the size? Size is going to be 196 into 196. 196 into 196. Here it is. We need to add the type. Type is going to be image/png. And the purpose is going to be any maskable. Here it is. Let's save that and let's check our website. Let's go over here and refresh it. I'm gonna close it and open into a new tab. Let's go to inspect, to the Lighthouse and generate report once again. All right, here you go. Manifest has a maskable icon. Let's see what else is left. All right, next thing what do we need to do is does not redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. So it's gonna be fixed when we deploy it to Netlify, since Netlify directs all the traffic to HTTPS. So it's not gonna be the problem. So let's leave this one for now. And the third one is that does not register a service worker that controls page and a start URL. So all of these three are linked together. So we need to provide that. Let's go over here. Where is it? So as you can see, we don't have any service worker file currently. So how do we need to generate the service worker file? So let's go to a new window. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open a folder. Let's open a folder right over here. I'm gonna name this folder service worker something, anything, doesn't really matter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna initialize a new React app, but it's not gonna be the conventional way. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter npx create React app, and what do we need to do? Yeah, we need to write any name. Let's say my app, and I'm gonna write template for CRA dash template dash PWA. So when you type this, it's gonna generate a React app especially configured for a PWA application. So let's enter that and let's see what happens. All right, here we go. It has successfully initialized a new React app. So what do we need from this React app? We need these two files, serviceworker.js and serviceworker.registration.js. So we're gonna select these and copy these into our project. Over here into the src folder, I'm gonna go and paste it. So we have both of these service worker files. Let's go back to that project and let's go inside of index.js. Let's see how these files are being used. So it's being used over here, and we need to add this line as well. So I'm gonna add this line first. Let's import that, copy, and paste into our index.js file. Here we go. Let's go back and let's copy this part as well. Copy and paste it over here, and let's save that. And let's see, the app has compiled successfully. Let's go back to our local host, and I'm going to open this in new tab again. Let's go to inspect and check the Lighthouse. Let's generate the report. All right, let's see what happened. Okay, it's still giving the same error. Why? Because of this. When you go to service worker, there's something called inside of register. You can see it only works on a production app. So our app is currently in development. So let's build this app and let's see if it works or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type npm run build. So it's going to build our app, a production ready app. All right, first of all, whoa, we forgot to do this. Instead of unregister, we need to change it to register. Yes, so that it can register our service worker. So now let's run the build. All right, our app has been built successfully. So what does it say? It say you can run this command to run the production build. But first of all, if you don't have the serve, what you need to do, you can run npm I serve -g. When you run this command, sorry, not nom, it's npm. So when you run this command, what it's gonna do, it's gonna install this command serve in your machine. So let's just run this command now, serve -s build. I'm gonna copy it and run it over here. So it says it is serving on our local host, in our local host 5000. So let's go to localhost 5000 now. Localhost, I'm gonna change this to 5000, and our app is running. Let's go to inspect and to the Lighthouse, and let's generate the report again. All right, here you go. These checks validate the expected. So now you can see it has lighten up this progressive web app icon. So all we need to do now is does not redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. So when you deploy this app to Netlify, so what it's gonna do, it's gonna successfully direct all the traffic from HTTP to HTTPS. Then it's gonna be created as a progressive web app. So if you don't know how to deploy this app on Netlify, you can check our previous video where we have created this dictionary app. So you can learn from there, or I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough what you can do. You're just gonna go to Netlify and you're gonna log in to Netlify and just gonna click on new site from Git and click on GitHub and just select your particular repo from where you want to deploy that website. And yeah, that's all you need to do. So let's check our deployed website now. Let's go to wordhunt.netlify.app. This is our deployed website. Now final check. First of all, you can see there's one install button over here. If I click on this install button, it's gonna ask me to install this app, just like I showed you earlier in phone. This is how you can install it on your desktop. Let's click on install. And here you go. This app has been installed successfully. Here you go. Our app is right here, WordHunt. When we click on it, it has installed as a native app in our PC. And check the final time. Let's generate the report and it's gonna show us that our app is now successfully a PWA. Here you go. There you have it. Our progressive app is working fine. Progressive web app is working fine. So thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, just give it a huge thumbs up. And by thumbs up, I mean just click on that like button below. And subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.